Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Alex Coffey here to take you through today's market action. It was a relatively quiet session for stocks until a late closing sell-off sent all four major indices firmly into red territory. S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100 both closed down by around half a percentage point. The Russell 2000 led the selling down over 1 percentage point. All the sectors in the S&P 500 closed down as well for the session. Utilities lost about 1.5%. Tech shed 1/3% heading into Nvidia's earnings. Speaking of, the AI giant Nvidia missed on EPS but posted a beat on revenue. However, the $39.1 billion in data center revenue missed expectations of $39.4 billion. Its current quarter guidance miss of $45 billion takes a potential $8 billion loss of H20 revenue due to export restrictions into account. The company also announced its Blackwell product is in full production. CEO Jensen Huang says global demand for Nvidia's AI infrastructure is incredibly strong, adding that AI token generation grew tenfold in 1 year, and as AI agents become mainstream, that demand for AI computing will accelerate. Salesforce also put a spotlight on AI software. The company posted an earnings beat and shared current quarter guidance above Wall Street's estimates. It also raised full year guidance by $400 million to $41.3 billion. Data cloud and AI annual recurring revenue soared 120% year over year. CEO Mark Benioff says his company built a deeply unified enterprise AI platform that is unmatched in the industry. Elsewhere in earnings, cybersecurity company SentinelOne slipped after hours. Despite an inline report, the company did trim full year guidance to between $996 million to $1 billion for revenue. This was down from $1.01 billion. The company also authorized a $200 million share repurchase buyback program. Tomorrow's earnings will be led by Costco, Dell, and Marvell after hours. Best Buy, Burlington, Kohl's, and Foot Locker all report before the open. Also watch for GDP data, jobless claims, and pending home sales. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Alex Coffey. Remember to tune in 24/7 on SchwabNetwork.com.